Chapter 9. Measurement of weight. Warm-up activity. Weight. Shyam lifted the first bag very easily, but he found it difficult to lift the second bag. Why? It is because the weight of second bag is more as compared to the first bag. The quantity of matter present in an object is called its weight. The weight of an object tells us how heavy or light the object is. Units of measuring weight. Kilogram. It is the standard unit of weight. The weight of a sack of wheat or sugar, a bag of fruits or vegetables, etc. are measured in kilograms. We denote kilogram by kg. Gram. It is the smaller unit of weight. The weight of a book, an apple, etc. are measured in grams. We denote gram by g. Milligram. It is the smaller unit of weight than gram. The weight of a pill, pen, sharpener, etc. are measured in milligrams. We denote milligram by mg. Relation between units of weight. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Devices to measure weight. A balance is the most commonly used device to measure weight. It has two pans. To measure weight, we put the object to be weighed in one pan of the balance and go on putting standard weights in other pan till the two pans are in the same level. Below are the standard weights used in day-to-day life. 50 grams, 100 grams, 200 grams, 500 grams, 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 5 kilograms, 10 kilograms, 20 kilograms. Some other devices to measure weight. Weighing scale, digital balance, spring balance. Making equal weights. 1 kilogram is equal to 500 grams plus 500 grams. Two 500 gram weights weigh 1 kilogram. To multiply 500 grams is equal to 1000 grams. It is equal to 1 kilogram. 500 grams is equal to 100 grams plus 100 grams plus 100 grams plus 100 grams plus 100 grams. 500 gram weights weigh 500 grams. 5 multiply 100 grams is equal to 500 grams. 500 grams is equal to 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 100 grams. Two 200 gram and 100 gram weights weigh 500 grams. To multiply 200 grams plus 100 grams is equal to 500 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams plus 200 grams. 5 200 gram weights weigh 1 kilogram. 5 multiply 200 grams is equal to 1000 grams. It is equal to 1 kilogram. Conversion of units of weight. Let us learn how to convert kilograms into grams and grams into kilograms. Conversion of kilograms into grams. To convert kilogram into gram, we multiply the number by 1000. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 2 kilogram is equal to multiply 1000 grams. It is equal to 2000 grams. 3 kilograms is equal to 3 multiply 1000 grams. It is equal to 3000 grams, and so on. Example 1. Convert kilogram into gram. A. 6 kilograms. B. 75 kilograms. Solution. A. 6 kilograms is equal to 6 multiply 1000 grams. It is equal to 6000 grams. B. 75 kilograms is equal to 75 multiply 1000 grams. It is equal to 75,000 grams. Conversion of kilograms and grams into grams. To convert kilograms and grams into grams, we first multiply the number of kilograms by 1000 and then add it to the number of grams. Example 2. Convert 8 kilograms 540 grams into grams. Solution. We have 8 kilograms 540 grams is equal to 8 kilograms plus 540 grams. It is equal to 8 multiply 1000 grams plus 540 grams is equal to 8000 grams plus 540 grams. It is equal to 8540 grams. Conversion of grams into kilograms. To convert grams into kilograms, we divide the value of grams by 1000. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, or 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram, or 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. So, 2 grams is equal to 2 by 1000 kilograms. 3 grams is equal to 3 by 1000 kilogram, and so on. Example 3. Convert grams into kilograms. A. 4000 grams. B. 7000 grams. Solution. A. 4000 grams is equal to 4000 by 1000 kilograms. It is equal to 4 kilograms. B. 7000 grams is equal to 7000 by 1000 kilograms. It is equal to 7 kilograms. Addition of weights. To add 2 or more weights given in kilogram and gram, we arrange them in columns and add as per rules of addition. Example 4. Add 35 kilograms 375 grams and 32 kilograms 480 grams. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given weights into columns of kilogram and gram. Step 2. Add grams. 375 grams plus 480 grams is equal to 855 grams. Write 855 under gram column. Step 3. Add kilograms. 35 kilograms plus 32 kilograms is equal to 67 kilograms. Write 67 under kilogram column. Answer: 67 kilograms 855 grams. Example 5. Add 137 kilograms 478 grams and 120 kilograms 720 grams. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given weights in 2 columns of kilogram and gram. Step 2. Add grams. 478 grams plus 720 grams is equal to 1198 grams. 1198 grams is equal to 1000 grams plus 198 grams. It is equal to 1 kilogram, 198 grams. Write 198 under gram column and carry over 1 kilogram to kilogram column. Step 3. Add kilograms. 137 kilograms plus 120 kilograms plus 1 kilogram carried over is equal to 258 kilograms. Write 258 under kilogram column. Answer: 258 kilograms, 198 grams. Remember, write gram as a 3-digit number while adding or subtracting kilogram and gram. For example, write 15 grams as 0.15 grams. Subtraction of weights. To subtract two given weights, we arrange them in two columns of kilogram and gram and subtract as per rules of subtraction. Example 6. Subtract 13 kilograms 312 grams from 50 kilograms 468 grams. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given weights in two columns of kilogram and gram. Step 2. Subtract grams. 468 grams minus 312 grams is equal to 156 grams. Write 156 under gram column. Step 3. Subtract kilograms. 50 kilograms minus 13 kilograms is equal to 37 kilograms. Write 37 under kilogram column. Answer: 37 kilograms, 156 grams. Example 7. Subtract 38 kilograms, 670 grams from 42 kilograms, 150 grams. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the weights in two columns of kilogram and gram. Step 2. Subtract grams. Here, 670 is greater than 150. We cannot subtract 670 grams from 150 grams. So, we borrow 1 kilogram from kilogram column, leaving behind 41 kilograms. Now, 1 kilogram plus 150 grams is equal to 1000 grams plus 150 grams. It is equal to 1150 grams. Therefore, 1150 grams minus 670 grams is equal to 480 grams. Write 480 under gram column. Step 3. Subtract kilograms. 41 kilograms minus 38 kilograms is equal to 3 kilograms. Write 3 under kilogram column. Answer: 3 kilograms, 480 grams. Word problems. Example 1. Rani purchased 117 kilograms, 250 grams of wheat from the market. She had 132 kilograms, 700 grams of wheat in her store. Find the total weight of wheat she has in her store now. Solution. Weight of wheat purchased is equal to 117 kilograms, 250 grams. Weight of wheat in the store is equal to 132 kilograms, 700 grams. Total weight of wheat in the store is equal to 117 kilograms, 250 grams plus 132 kilograms, 700 grams. It is equal to 249 kilograms, 950 grams. Thus, Rani has 249 kilograms, 950 grams of wheat in her store. Example 2. A bucket full of water is of 17 kilograms 450 grams. The weight of the empty bucket is 1 kilogram 746 grams. What is the weight of water in the bucket? Solution. Weight of bucket full of water is equal to 17 kilograms 450 grams. Weight of the empty bucket is equal to 1 kilogram 746 grams. Weight of water in the bucket is equal to 17 kilograms 450 grams minus 1 kilogram 746 grams. It is equal to 15 kilograms 704 grams. So, weight of water in the bucket is 15 kilograms 704 grams.